superachievers. There is a saying from Buddha, whatever you think, you become. Whatever you imagine, you create it. It is proved. आज क्या देखेंगे कि आपका एग्जाम जो है अनदर 1 मंथ और 1.5 मंथ्स है, 1.5 महीना है. तो इस 1.5 महीना में आपका अंदर में स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी एंड एग्जाम फियर ये सब आ रहा होगा. बिकॉज वी हैव हैड ऑल्सो दैट एक्सपीरियंस. ओवरवेलमिंग कंडीशंस, इतना जितना पढ़ने से लगता है कि नहीं खत्म हुआ, ये याद नहीं आ रहा, ये हो रहा है. मोर कंसर्न पॉइंट इज योर टाइम मैनेजमेंट, देन ओवरवेलमिंग कंडीशन एंड एग्जाम फियर. एंड रिमेंबर दिस थिंग्स, you have the potential to overcome all these challenges and excel in your exam, because आपका जो potential है आपको पता नहीं है. And one thing is clear, that you have to always believe and trust yourself and God, and keep on working, hard work. Don't step down or don't divert your mindset anything else. These are the normal conditions. Anxiety, stress, fear, these are the normal conditions. Whoever comes for the first time, those who are appearing for the board exam, these are the normal conditions. Board exam or any competitive, because you might have experience, so you may not face that type of, but these are normal conditions. So don't worry, we'll see the step-by-step process here, how to overcome these challenges, right? So before going to the topic, I am welcoming you to my channel @Pratap Harichandan, जहां हम लोग को सुपर अचीवर्स बनाते हैं. बिकॉज वी आर इन्फ्यूजिंग व्हाट 6 सेंस, AI, learning, career, health and spirituality. These things are required for your holistic development as a 21st century students to face the challenges, to build a super achiever career and sustainable career. तो पहला स्टेप है to revisit your study plan. आपने बनाया होगा, you might have made your study plan timetable before 1 month or 2 months back, isn't it? So now relook, because you have to go through all the syllabus, whether you have covered or not. If it is covered, then you have to change the timetable. That means what you have to do in time wise, and set clear goals. By this time I will finish this topic, by this time I have finished this topic, this chapter, this book, math, science, English, SST, these things. Set clear goals. This is the first. Relook your timetable and set clear goals. Second जो step है, active learning technique. Active learning technique क्या है? Practice question papers, old question papers, as well as mock test. Please go on. Second one is use active recall, like SST, like for your literature subject. Read it, study it, close your book, start writing whatever you have studied. How much you remember? Active recall. That's so called active recall technique. And before going to your bed in the night, just recall. Sit for 2-3 minutes. Whatever you have studied whole day, just recall it, so that you memorize the things. You may not be 90 or 100%, at least 70 to 80%. This is going to help you a lot. You have to make some clear visual aids. Visual aids means you make some sticky notes, critical points you can sticky note in your study area, just paste it. Fourth is master the basics. See, basic things are critical. If your basic things are clear, if your fundamentals are clear, you can write. Like I'm telling about math, science, economics, like in art subject, or accountancy in commerce. Basic things you must know. And literature, at least you know how to write a sentence, frame a sentence. I advised one of my students to write alternate days one essay in English to improve his vocabulary and writing ability, to write a good sentences, good English. So this is the second step. Second step में क्या है? Active learning technique, mock tests, active recalling, fundamental things, basic things, and create visual aids. Second step. Third step is manage exam fear. Fear होगा, कईयों को होगा. पहला चीज क्या करना है पता है आपको? Just write down ये exam fear कहाँ से पैदा हो रहा है. From where this exam fear is starting. Write down. कोई भी चीज आपको प्रॉब्लम है ना, अगर आप उसको if you write down, 50% of the problem is solved. And you know, one motivator, Gaur Gopal Das, his one saying, just by experience I'm telling you, you have a problem and you have a solution. Then why to worry? If you have a problem, but you cannot do anything, you don't have a solution and neither you can do anything. So why to worry? Leave it. So exam fear का सबसे अच्छा तरीका, write down why this exam fear has started coming to you. And second step you can do, write positive affirmation statements like I am preparing well, I am a super achiever, I can write my exam with confident, I am confident to write my exams, I am preparing well, I am a super achiever. These are the positive affirmations which go to your subconscious mind and prepares your mind for the exam. So it will avoid to make you worry about this. The actions you will take, you will not worry at all. These are positive affirmation statements. In one of the videos I have told you, please go through that videos. If you need more help, I can help you how to write the affirmation sentences. Third is visualize success. Visualize means what? You have already excelled in your exam. You have written your exam excellently well and on time, submitting the paper exam right answer sheet on time. This thing always you visualize on before going to bed and after getting up in the morning. Let's go to the fourth step. 1 month study plan. आपके पास 1 month study plan है. And the first step I told you, revisit the plan. तो study plan को आप क्या, every day one mock test. Check how you are making this mock test within the time you are finishing or not. Already I have told you, write one essay, revisit the formulas where you think these are the required, very much required, and the keywords. Nowadays you have seen, I think in a CBSE book some keywords are given, or you find your own keywords. Fifth step, take care of your body and mind. This is very essential to overcome stress, anxiety and fear. This is a critical step. Take care of your mind and body. How? Please take your sleep. Take sleep for 7 to 8 hours. When we sleep, what happens? Our brain actually reprograms whatever we have learned, and those things are reprogrammed. The neurons start reprogramming, and you get fresh. That's why if you are not sleeping well, then in the morning when you get up, you feel stressed. You don't feel like studying. Eat healthy foods. Healthy foods, you know what is healthy foods, which have homemade foods. Homemade foods are all healthy foods. Take vegetables, leafy vegetables, green vegetables, fruits. Take wherever possible. I'm not telling you these things you take. Wherever possible, you take as per your capability. And stay hydrated, means sufficient water you must take. 3 liters of water, not glass. 7 to 8 glasses of water, so that you stay always energetic. Otherwise dull, if you are dull and studying, means nothing is going inside, it is going out. Last not the least, exams are your not end goals, it is a journey, your success journey. These things you remember. So 1 month time, 1.5 months time, you can turn around with these steps. Don't worry about these things. If you have not well prepared till now, within this 1 month or 1.5 months, you can turn around. Be powerful, be energetic. So if you like this video, please share among your friends. Parents also, I advise you Please be with your child in this journey. Be supportive. Help them whatever they want. Don't compare or don't make it stressful. Don't be angry. Avoid all the things. Pura upavas. Okay. So all the things you can take care about the exams and 100% you will excel. If you need more help, please DM me. And how you are preparing, please message me so that I can check and confirm you. So start today itself, now itself. All the love, all the power.